If you're willing to work directly with Google Drive, in this case Gemini, I'm going to be showing you how to make this process really fast. So first of all, I'm going to be focusing directly and working with the Google actual Sheets. So basically you can activate the Gemini sidebar and creating an actual smart layout. Let's say for example that I have an actual to-do list directly with my Google Sheets spread element. If you want to activate the actual element of the Gemini, what you need to do is to go into the upper right corner, and you have now the element that says try the Gemini. Directly inside here, you can generate your actual next big idea with Gemini in Gmail, Docs, and more. So you can have, for example, more drafts. You can focus into plan projects quickly, generate images in slide, start and haste meeting into meeting, or focus directly with the specific sheet you want to be changing out. Now, I must tell you that if you want to use this element, you must have an actual Google One plan in order to making the actual quick connection. If you're still wanted to be working on with the artificial intelligence of Gemini, but you wanted to use, for example, the free plan, then what you can do is to open a new tab and focus for the gemini.google.com. Inside here, what you can do is to manually ask for, let's say, for example, the actual question that you are working on. So for example, let's say that I will be looking for the element that says share. I go for anyone with the link can be an actual editor, and I'm going to focus for copy the actual link. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to be pasting this specific document. And let's say, let's work together and help me add more to-do list examples in this file. If you use the Flash version can be helping you to make the actual connection, but I believe that sometimes it won't be helping you to make this element really fast. So it says here that since the existing entries in your sheet are formatted with dates, tasks, and completion checkboxes, here is a structured layout of new examples of what I can actually do. So as you can see, we have a tip for customizing your actual sheet that we can actually copy and paste directly inside here. So would you like me to generate a version of this data format CSV table so you can copy the paste? You can go for the element that says yes. Now, I must tell you that the actual Gemini will be generating an actual copy of what you're actually doing and will be generating an actual file, and you can be showing that directly inside here. If you ask, for example, can you add this to the link file I sent you, sometimes he will be telling you that he can be making the actual modification with the link that you currently saved. That's the reason why you always needed to have an actual copy of what you're actually focused on. As you can see, we are not going to be able to modify or edit my specific Google spreadsheet directly through an actual link because the tools won't let you do this element. So what you can actually do is to make an actual new document into the actual drive rather than altering the existing spreadsheet in place. So what's into the updated file? Here's the original roast. But still, as you can see, what I can do now with all of this information, for example, is just to copy it directly inside here and paste it directly into the elements that I would like to be working on. As you can see, it doesn't look that bad, and the actual file or the font combination, it actually doesn't look that bad. So if I just select all of my actual files, which in this case should be all of those, I go for Roboto once again. Here's the actual 10, and the actual color would be resetted. There we go. And everything looks correctly and all looks fine. Now, if you're still wanting to be working on with the actual Gemini in just one place, well, you need to just click it directly inside this element and look out for the actual Gemini AI to make this process really fast. But that will be something else for another tutorial. So if you wanted to try that out, you have the link down below in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to be working on with Gemini and much more tools directly with the actual Google. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all that's been said, we can see you next time.